Hi, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to sell Midjourney AI art on Etsy. Step-by-step guide. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Now, currently in Etsy, there are a lot of things that you could sell. For example, you can sell t-shirts and clothes over here, different types of clothing. So, for today's video, we will give you an example on how you could use Midjourney to create you AI art that you could use as a design or as an art that you could put on your different clothing. For example, a t-shirt. We're going to create in this video a t-shirt design that we could sell in Etsy. So, going back here in Midjourney. Now in Midjourney, there are a lot of different styles that you could use and integrate with your design. You could go to the showcase of Midjourney, for example, Midjourney, and let's check out the different showcase and the community showcase over here on the homepage of Midjourney. We're going to click on showcase and let's see all the different famous or trending topics that are available right now. As you can see here, these are the recent trending outputs created by the community over here. And we could copy or use this as an inspiration to create our design in our Midjourney over here. For example, we have this very good or very cute design of a bear that is embroidered. So we could use this. We could click on the three dots, click on copy, click on full command. Now going back to Discord over here, we're going to enter or re-enter our prompt over here. But first, before we do that, I'm going to go to settings, and in this section, we will be able to see our different personal settings over here, wherein if we type in a normal prompt, this will appear over here automatically. If you would like to use this for your other projects, if you would like to have a shortcut wherein it will automatically type in the version of your Midjourney that you would like to use, you could use the settings over here to help you with your shortcut. But for now, we're going to reset this and we're going to do imagine and then paste our prompt over here. This is the prompt used to create this design over here. So we're simply going to re-edit our design. So instead of a painting of a happy polar bear, we could change it to a cat. For example, a Persian cat, orange Persian cat. Then click on enter. And then let's see what type of output we will be able to receive based on this as our basis. So let's assume that we will be able to get this. And then we will create a design that we will be selling in Etsy over here. So let's see if we will be able to receive or generate the specific design that we are trying to create. And while waiting, we're going to look for other design that we could use to create our Etsy AI design over here. So for example, this one, I really like this one. So we could use this as well. We're going to copy this. We're going to change the model or our topic over here to someone else, our subject, so that we won't be really copying the entire design over here. So as you can see here, this is being generated. While waiting, we could type this in, imagine prompt, and just like that. Then we're going to change it, instead of a cat, we could change it to a husky. If we could do that, husky, and click on enter. And as you can see here, this is our design over here. I really like the first one and the fourth one, or we could go with the third one as well. So for now, we're going to go with the first and fourth, and let's see which one is the best between the two. And then we're going to import them to Canva over here, and we're going to create as a mockup and to see how it would look like on a t-shirt. So we're simply going to wait, and while waiting, as you can see, this is being drawn right now, being created. So we're simply give it some time, and this is our design over here. We're going to click this, and this is very good actually, high in details. You could see the yarn as like a woven technique on the cat, and this is the other one over here. Now personally, I like this more because it's more cuter. This has more details, but this is more cuter for me, so I'm going to save this as an image, and we're going to use this in Canva, and click on save. Now the style that you use is completely up to you. There are a lot of different styles out there, different types of design, and you can simply go to community showcase also and explore the different outputs present here, and then you could copy their output over here and then edit the style or recreate the way it is being created and then use it for your own. And as you can see, this is our dog version over here, the husky version. And we're going to upload the downloaded photo over here on Canva, and we're going to create our very own mock-up. You can see this is our design, just like that. We're going to remove the background a bit. We're going to remove the background from the frame because we have a black background. So let's go remove that. And let's see how it would look like. We have the frame as like part of the design. So as you can see, we cannot detect the background in the image. So we're going to try this instead. We're going to crop it instead of moving the background, just like this. Going to adjust it properly, just like that. Then we're going to click on enter, and now we have our design over here. Going to make some adjustment, just like that. And then we're going to click on edit photo, and we're going to look for mockups over here. Click on mockups, and then we're going to wait for it for a few seconds. And then as you can see, we have different options over here. We have popular options. We have smartphones, computer, tablets, home and living, apparel, and all of this stuff. Now you could see that there's also some tote bags over here. If you change your mind and you would like to sell tote bag also you could use the mock-ups available over here. So but for now, we're going to stick with a t-shirt because that is our idea. So we're going to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to drag our photo into the mock-up, and let's see what it would look like. We're simply going to wait for it to load, and we're going to enlarge this while waiting for it to load our image. As you can see, you could see like a small circle, and as you can see, this is our image over here. And we could change the image fit over here. As you can see, we have image fit, fill, or we could align over here. We could flip it as well if you would like. And this is our design. Now it's a bit hard to see. Let's try zooming in. As you can see, this is our design over here. Now I think there was an issue with how the background would work, but it's very easy to resolve that issue. But for now, as you can see, this is our design. And you could go with other designs. So for example, we're going to delete this, and we're going to look for another mockups over here. For example, we could go with this one over here. Could drag it into our section over here, and then we're going to go back to our section over here, and we could download one of these simple ones over here. For example, we could go with the fourth one, upscale the fourth version, and we're simply going to wait for the upscale version. And just like this, we're going to save this once again. We're going to use this as our design this time. So over here, we're going to delete our mockup for now, upload it once again, and we're going to edit photo, remove the background because there's a white background there if you don't notice it. So we're going to wait for it to remove the background, and just like that. And then we're going to use a mockup. Going to click our image, edit photo, look for mockups once again, just like this. And let's go and select apparel. Going to use this one once again, and we're going to drag our photo over here, and we're going to wait for it to load once again, and we're going to enlarge this while waiting. This is our model over here. You can see, simply going to wait for our mockup to generate on her clothes over here. Now, like I said earlier, there are a lot of styles, and you're not really going to follow what I'm doing right now. If you do like the style that I have chosen and created, you can follow them. But if not, you can explore the internet, explore different sections in the showcase over here if you would like. So let's go back here, and as you can see, we have our design over here. And this is what it would look like on a t-shirt. Now what you can do is simply download the photo or go to Etsy and upload your design in Etsy, and then you could start selling your design that you have created through Midjourney over here. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.